We're in Roman Ridge, one of the most affluent places in Accra, where old money resides. And we're going to show you a couple of properties that are not too far away from the airport that you might like. So stay tuned. Well, I'm here today with a representative of Devtraco Plus, and we are going to take a tour of one of their apartment facilities. But before we do so, I would like for him to introduce himself and tell you a little bit more about this interesting development right here on the continent of Africa and nowhere else but the best place in the world, Accra, Ghana. Anyway. Introduce yourself, please.
My name is Bulley, and I work with the Diaspora Group in Devtraco Plus. It's a real estate company, fully Ghanaian owned. That's the advantage, fully Ghanaian owned, and it's been in existence since 1993. And we have different branches. We have the limited, we have the Fabrico, we have the restaurant part, the hospitality. Then we have the luxury part that we call the Devtraco Plus. And today we'll be showing you some of the properties that we have developed as the Devtraco Plus.
Okay.
We have the Pelican, which is a hotel.
Okay.
Under our wings. We have.
Where's the Pelican?
It's a cantonment.
Oh, it's in Cantonment.
Yes. So
wow.
Just across St. Thomas Aquinas.
Oh, that's funny because I used to go to vacation class at Thomas Aquinas. That's funny.
So
shh, don't tell everybody. All right, go on. Yes.
so that is a hotel investment, which is basically like that we do in Dubai. But today that's what I'll be showing you today, the service apartment at Roman Ridge. And we have properties also coming up in Cantonment.
Okay. So later on, maybe in a couple of weeks, will we be able to see the Cantonment's facilities?
So it just broke ground not too long ago.
Oh, okay.
So it's under construction.
Oh, it's under construction
Correct,
there.
correct.
Okay. And what else do you have that's actually finished right now?
So we have the Nova that is finished.
Okay.
That's also at Roman Ridge, next to the address.
Okay.
Yes, we have the Edge. We have a lot of development that are already finished.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
Henrietta's residence also finished.
Okay.
So
okay.
those are sold out.
Oh, they're all sold out.
Those are
oh,
all
wow. So sorry, folks, you're not going to be able to have a look inside those because they're gone. But these ones, roughly, how many units are available?
With the address, we have just a handful available now.
Okay.
Just a handful.
Okay.
They have like 20.
About 20.
About 20. And at the rate at which we are selling, latest by March, will be gone.
Okay. So tell us a little bit more about you. Who are you?
So my name is Jeffrey, like I mentioned earlier.
Yes.
Yes, I was born in Ghana, raised in Ghana. I've lived in Liberia, I've lived in Nigeria.
Oh, Liberia.
I've lived in the Gambia, and I've lived in Sierra Leone too as well. I spent time in the real estate market and did some few properties in Dubai too as well.
Okay.
Then few properties in Florida. So we were selling vacation homes.
Okay.
But because of the visa restrictions, as of then, it didn't fly. But when it comes to Dubai, it was
better.
It was better.
Okay.
Then I decided to do more of Ghana.
Okay.
The reason for doing more of Ghana is one, the electricity is stable.
Okay.
Two, we have the peace.
Yes, that's true.
Then three, when you look at our GDP, tourism supports our GDP the most. Is from 2024 to date, tourism was about $7 billion.
Wow.
Yes, from tourism.
Wow.
Yes, so looking at the influx of people moving to Ghana, we realized that it will be best to do apartment.
Okay.
Then we moved from just doing a normal apartment, a residential apartment, we moved into an idea of more of Airbnb.
Okay. Okay.
So we had people coming in, they don't want like 4-bedroom, 5-bedroom, they just want a studio or a 1-bedroom.
Okay.
So we have those that are available now that services everybody.
Okay. Very interesting. Okay. So your offices, very nice, very plush,
Thank you.
You wouldn't expect
Thank you.
this in Ghana for real estate developers place. This is a developer's office.
Correct. Correct.
Wow, yeah, it's nice, very nice. So yeah, we would like to see this apartment complex.
Sure.
So let's go and do that.
Sure.
All right.
So this the hall.
Okay.
But it comes with an open kitchen.
Okay.
So you
Open
see-
plan kitchen.
Yes, open plan kitchen.
And this is the
The
fridge.
yes, the fitted refrigerator.
Okay.
Then you have electronic cooker.
Okay.
So the electric cooker, you have the electric cooker too as well.
Okay.
Then you have your Bosch microwave, your Bosch oven.
Okay.
So these are all fitted.
So these come standard with
These are
the.
standard. These are
Okay.
standard. And cabinet, everything standard.
Okay. Nice. Okay. Nice. And this is your little dining area, as you said.
Yes, this is the
Okay.
ladies dining area.
Okay. And your living space.
Correct.
Yeah.
Then it comes with a balcony too as well.
Oh, and they all have balconies. Okay.
Most of them have balconies, not all of them. Most of them
Okay.
have balconies. So this is basically the balcony.
Okay.
And it's all the way from here to this, and it gives you a panoramic view of the place
Oh,
and the
wow.
neighborhood.
So when your neighbors are sitting on their balconies, you can see them as well.
That's true. That's true.
Look at that. That's a nice view. And I like the little touch down there with the green space
Yeah. Yeah.
down there. Very nice. So what other rooms do you have? Bedrooms and bathroom? And
Yes, we do. I would like to show you them.
Okay.
Let's go inside. Let me show you the bedrooms.
Okay.
So I mentioned it's a 2-bedroom.
Okay.
So there's the first one. One thing I like about this bedroom is the wardrobes. So
Okay.
basically you have more people doing a short wardrobe, but this up to ceiling wardrobe.
Oh, yeah.
I can show you what it looks like inside.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Nice. Good amount of storage space.
Yes.
Yeah. Very nice. Oh, and you got your drawers and everything
Correct.
inside. That's nice. Yeah. Very nice.
Then let's see the next bedroom.
Okay.
So this is the next bedroom. So
Okay.
with this, what we did with the wardrobes is it faces your washroom.
Okay, so it's a walk-in closet here.
Correct. So this is the washroom for the master side.
Okay. So this is the shower
Yeah.
for the
Master side.
master bedroom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the wardrobe.
Okay.
So as I mentioned earlier on, it's different from the other room. The other
Yes.
room has it inside, but this one faces the washroom.
Okay. Okay.
So once you're from the washroom, you can put it in your attire.
Okay. Okay.
So we
okay.
just wanted to diversify
All
how it
right.
looks like.
Okay, so this is kind of at the end of your hallway.
Correct.
Okay.
correct,
All
correct.
right. It's different.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is different. Okay. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, the hallway is that way, and then you got your front door.
Good.
Okay,
Good.
to the bedroom. Okay, and then you've got.
Good.
Okay, yeah, the space.
I have a
works.
little surprise I want to show you too,
Okay.
but I didn't want to mention it early on.
All right.
So that's the storage room.
Okay.
There's a little bit of storage in
There's
here.
more storage.
Correct.
Okay.
So we have a little storage here. You can keep your other stuff. And actually, we've created a space to fix your washing machine. So if you
Oh,
wanna-
so you can put your washing
Washing
machine
machine here.
inside this
Yeah.
space.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Created enough space.
All right.
Then what we did too was to put in the telecom.
Okay.
So if somebody is down there wants to look for you and you don't want a person to see you, use the telecom. We call it call.
Okay. So. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
basically.
Okay. Oh, so you got intercom.
Yes.
This is nice the way it's planned. I like the planning. And this is the
Washroom.
the other bathroom for
Yeah.
for this bedroom.
Yes.
Okay. And this would double as a visitor's.
Correct.
Okay. Okay.
I mentioned earlier on that we have a nice pool area that has a panoramic view of all of the place.
Okay. So infinity pool.
Correct.
Okay. So we're off to the gym.
The gym, like I mentioned earlier during our conversation, so it's a whole 360 stuff that it doesn't let you leave the apartment.
Okay. Oh, thank you. Okay. Wow.
So this is the gym.
You got a lap machine
Lap
and
machine, the shoulders,
and
as well.
shoulder press.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
Something for your legs.
Yep.
Okay, for those of you who have the bird legs, because you know, a lot of guys, you know, when they go to the gym, they like to be lifting them weights, and you see their whole upper body like being big. They end up looking like Johnny Bravo. You have to watch the cartoon Johnny Bravo, then you'll understand what I mean. It's like, well, this gym is fully stocked out, and for those of you that are vain, there's some mirrors here so you can look at yourself. Well, this is good. This is really kitted out. This is good. Nice. And it's all air conditioned too.
Correct.
All air conditioned. So even if you're sweating, you're going to work out a little bit more because it's cool enough for you to do so.
So it's open for 24 hours.
Okay.
The idea is you could come in any time.
Wow.
Yeah, so perhaps you might be working in the office, leave the office around 9, you still be here 10 p.m., you can do it.
And this is staffed 24 hours.
24 hours.
That's crazy because a lot of gyms don't have anybody.
Now we are doing the cream of the top, so we want to provide that level of service for everybody.
That's really good. That is really good. And I'm impressed with the cleanliness as well.
Thank you. Thank
it's
you.
well kept.
Thank you.
Yeah, very good.
Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you.
So we need to talk.
So this basically the lounge.
Oh,
So
wow.
should you have a visitor that you don't want the visitor to come to your room,
Okay.
you can bring the visitor here.
Please tell us what the deal is on this building. Are there any units available? Because I know people are dying to find out, because you've shown us rooftop pool and gym, and you know, this is an affluent area. This is one of the oldest money areas
That's correct. That's correct.
in Accra.
That's correct.
So if you're here, you're not too far from the
Airport.
and that is a plus, especially if you're a person that does a lot of business
That's true.
in Accra and you're looking for a place to, you know, to actually own. So tell us, what's going on with this place?
So basically, this place, the idea is to run it for Airbnb
Okay.
and get more money. You could also live in it. For now, the units left are not that much. We are
Okay.
looking at about 3 of them.
There's about 3 units left.
3 of them.
How many units were there in total?
So we have about 10 floor. So total, you give or take, you're looking roughly about 200 units.
200 units, and there's only 3 left.
Left.
And how quickly did you sell all of that?
So we started selling off plan. Off plan basically means before we dig, we
Yeah.
sell.
Okay. Wow. Before you started digging the place.
We keep selling. So
Wow.
it makes it relatively cheaper.
Okay.
Yes, so now what we have is just a handful of them left, like 3.
Wow. Wow. Amazing. Okay, so there's 3 units, and what would you do you know ballpark what the price is?
Yes, yes, yes. So basically you see the prices on the screen.
Okay.
We're going to put the prices on the screen so it makes it more visible, so you could do your calculation when you want to buy.
Okay, so you will see the prices right now on the screen. So if you look below, That's what the prices are. Don't hesitate to call us. And when you do, you're going to get put through to the man himself, Jeffrey, right here. And we have other properties that we're going to show you with Jeffrey. So be patient with us. This is not the only place. And there is something coming up, because I've noticed some of you like the whole idea of the off-plan. There is something coming up with that too with Jeffrey. So get yourselves ready over the next couple of weeks. We're going to be showing you more in this particular area, because this is Central Accra.
Yeah.
And what you've got to understand about Central Accra, this is prime real estate area. This is high end.
Correct.
And it goes very quickly to a lot of people that want to do business, to a lot of people who are executives, and so on and so forth. So you don't want to be sleeping on these. And you were saying something about your ROI, your return on investment.
Yes.
Explain.
So basically, since it's been run for Airbnb by most owners, in years that we didn't do well, we were looking at 45%.
45%. That's
yes.
in
occupancy.
Occupancy.
Yes, when we began, but now we are averaging 70%.
They're averaging 70% occupancy.
Yeah.
So when you put your money into this, it's a money maker. Your ROI is about 70% occupancy per year.
Yeah.
All right.
With say the studios going from $150 a night.
$150 per night.
Yes, for the studios.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. This is Roman Ridge, very affluent area. There's a lot of different projects, buildings going up in the area. Very nice area. So don't sleep. Thank you for watching. We're going to be back again very soon. Get those phones ringing. You can call us on WhatsApp. You can see our number below in the ticker. Those of you that were asking on the previous videos, how do we contact you? It's right there on the ticker. And if you have the subtitles on, you might want to turn that off so you can actually see the email address and the phone number. And you can call us on WhatsApp. You don't have to call us directly via international phone calls. We're on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you again soon.